In this video, we're diving into the customer support offered by Hostinger and TMDHosting to help you decide which one truly delivers when you need assistance the most. We'll be breaking down their support features, response times, and how they handle critical issues. Stick around because after analyzing both, I'll reveal a surprising recommendation for a better alternative. Let's start with Hostinger. Known for its budget-friendly hosting, Hostinger's customer support offers 24/7 live chat and email support, which sounds great, right? Well, while they do offer instant chat for quick queries, their support can be a bit hit or miss when dealing with complex issues. Some customers report waiting longer than expected for more technical inquiries, which can be frustrating, especially when your site's down or you have a major problem to resolve. Their knowledge base is decent, but they don't always provide the depth some users might need. Next thing, let's look at TMD Hosting. TMD Hosting is another affordable option with 24/7 live chat and phone support. Their support is generally well rated for being fast and professional, especially when it comes to simpler issues like billing or server uptime questions. However, when it comes to technical support for more advanced topics, things can slow down. Some users mention that while Hosting's representatives are friendly, they don't always have the most in-depth answers for more complex hosting problems, which leaves you searching for solutions elsewhere. The fourth thing to consider is the support experience from a usability perspective. Hostinger's live chat is accessible through their dashboard, making it pretty straightforward to reach out. However, many users have reported that while the support team is friendly, they don't always seem to be fully equipped for complex or urgent issues. If you have a more intricate problem, you might find yourself waiting for an email response, which can take several hours. TMDHosting support, on the other hand, is a bit more hands-on with its phone support. That's a major plus for users who prefer speaking to someone directly, rather than dealing with chats or tickets. Still, while the phone support is a big selling point, their live chat can feel a bit too scripted, and you might find yourself repeating details multiple times just to get to the right solution. When it comes to knowledge resources, Hostinger has a fairly well-rounded knowledge base with a good amount of guides. The main issue, however, is that these resources can sometimes be outdated or too generic, meaning you might not always find a direct solution to your issue. TMDHosting's knowledge base is similar, but some customers mention that it could use more detailed, step-by-step tutorials, particularly for more advanced configurations. Next, let's talk about overall satisfaction. Hostinger, while cheap, doesn't always make up for its customer support shortcomings. Many customers love its affordable pricing and easy-to-use interface, but feel disappointed when an issue arises that requires more than basic help. TMDHosting fares a bit better here, as its more personalized phone support leaves many users with a more positive impression, though it's not without its flaws. So, which one is better customer support? If we're being honest, neither is perfect. Hostinger support is fast for simple issues, but can be frustratingly slow for more complex problems. TMDHosting offers decent phone support, but their live chat support leaves much to be desired for anything beyond basic inquiries. Now, after trying both myself, I have to say, there's a better option out there if you're really looking for top-tier support. The service I recommend offers faster response times, a more thorough knowledge base, and more technical expertise when you really need it. And here's the best part. If you're looking for a better alternative to Hostinger or TMDHosting, you can get exclusive benefits by using the first link in the description to access their free trial. This is only available to viewers like you, so don't miss out.